Hi guys, welcome to Jez's Drones. Today I want to talk about the new drone code as published by the Civil Aviation Authority. You can find a copy of this drone code at dronesafe.uk or dronesafe.co.uk, and where there's also a PDF downloadable file if you want to have a copy on your laptop, iPad or whatever. These new rules came in as from the 13th of March 2019, and they're the same 6 bullet points, but number 6 has a little bit more detail, so we'll get to that in a bit, but we'll run through the others first. Number 1, as you can see, is always keep your drone in sight. This means you can see and avoid things while flying. Number 2 is always stay below 400 feet or 120 meters to comply with the drone code. This reduces the likelihood of a conflict of manned aircraft. And number 3, every time you fly your drone, you must follow the manufacturer's instructions. Number 4, keep the right distance from people and property. That's 50 meters from people and property and 150 meters from crowds and built-up areas. Number 5, it's your responsibility for each flight. The legal responsibility lies with you. Failure to fly responsibly could result in a criminal prosecution. And the last one, which is the important one now, is number 6. Stay well away from aircraft, airports and airfields when flying drones. It is illegal to fly them inside an airport's flight restricted zones without permission. If your drone endangers the safety of an aircraft, it is a criminal offence and you could go to prison for up to 5 years. Now, March 13th, 2009, the rules changed and now reads the drone flight restriction zone around airports and airfields changes. The government has introduced new rules starting with the 1 kilometre restriction from the airfield boundaries, replaced by the restrictions using airfields' existing aerodrome traffic zone, which has a radius of either 2 or 2.5 nautical miles and then 5 kilometres by 1 kilometre zone starting from the point known as a threshold. At the end of each airfield runway, both zones extend upwards to a height of 2,000 feet above the airfield. It is illegal to fly any drone at any time within these restricted zones unless you have permission from the air traffic control at the airport or the air traffic control is not operational from the airport. Also on this website, there's a list of the FRZ runway extension zones, and also they give a few examples of the big ones, i.e. Heathrow, Manchester, Gatwick, Edinburgh and Aberdeen. And as you can see by those pictures, it's not just a circle anymore, there is extensions over the runway. There's a few good apps out there which you can download. I personally use Drone Assist, which is one of the best. Once you go into it, accept it, it will go to your location, zoom out and it will actually show the hazards in your area. The main one I've got is that main airport there, Newquay Airport, even though there are a few other hazards around. As you can see, there's another couple of airports down on the Lizard with extensions on the runways again. Well worth getting, well worth downloading. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Happy flying.